Woo, that is some serious drag peeling action. Today I want to show you why I love the new KastKing Megatron reel. We recently picked up the new Megatron spinning reel from KastKing, so we wanted a very versatile, heavy-duty reel, especially when it comes to bigger fish in fresher saltwater, such as pike, bass, muskie, or in saltwater when you're talking tuna, bonito, halibut, flounder, all sorts of big game fish. The first thing I noticed about this reel that I loved was that the main frame of the reel is actually made out of aerospace aluminum, which makes this a very rigid reel. It also has an aluminum handle, an aluminum spool, and a giant bail wire to make sure when you're fighting bigger fish or small fish, the body of this is not going to flex or break. The Megatron also comes with a braid ready spool, which means that you can use monoline or braided line, but when you use braid you need to have a special kind of spool so that under tension the braid doesn't actually spin on the spool itself, and this spool will prevent that because it's braid ready. Depending on the size reel you get, you'll have up to 46 pounds of drag. Not only do these pack a ton of drag, but it's a triple disc carbon drag, which means a very smooth drag. So when you're fighting a big fish or you're on light line, when the fish pulls or shakes its head, it's gonna pull, drag smooth, meaning you'll lose less fish. These reels come from 2,000 to 6,000 size, and the biggest size holds 300 yards of 80-pound braided line. That means you could take that offshore for really, really large game fish. To make sure that drag and everything's running smooth, this reel also comes with 8+1 bearings. What that means is 8 double shielded stainless steel bearings inside the reel and 1 anti-reverse bearing. So when you're reeling in and you stop, that drag is set. You're not gonna have any backlash when you're cranking in. The number one reason why we love this new reel so much is because of its extreme versatility and how heavy duty this reel is. To put this reel to the ultimate test, I recently took the smaller 3,000 size offshore fishing for bonito and yellowtail. And if you don't know what a bonito is, it's a member of the tuna family and is a very, very hard fighting fish. We were able to land 8 to 10 pound bonito, which is insane for this size reel. We also have used this inshore saltwater for halibut fishing, and it handled that fantastic. And we also plan on doing lots of freshwater bass and pike and muskie fishing too. I hope that helped you guys understand more about this awesome new reel from KastKing Megatron. Go check it out on Amazon. Not only is it super versatile, guys, but it is super affordable. Anyways, till next time, fish on. Oh!